Hi, this is Rachelle from Rivet Patterns, and in this video we're going to be talking about a square or a sloped shoulder adjustment. This is referring to the shoulder seam line here. Now, every pattern has a slightly different slope degree. That just depends a lot on the designer, the ease of the pattern. There's a lot of things that can go into it. So of course the best way to see if you need to make this adjustment is to make a muslin. So when we're talking about square shoulders, all that means is that your slope sits more like this. It's a flatter angle. Now if you have sloped shoulders, that means that the slope is steeper. So that's what we want to adjust. Now we could just draw this in here and find out and be able to change the slope. But the problem is that affects the overall depth of the arm size. So then you're going to have some sleeve fitting issues and all of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and avoid messing with the arm side. And we are going to do a squared kind of spread situation. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to make a mark, because we're going to be cutting just a little bit to this side, right? So we're going to draw a line from the shoulder line down to under the arm side. All right, and then actually let me take off this extra. I left this here so that you could see what I was drawing with the angles. Okay, just back to our pattern piece. So the next line you're going to draw is perpendicular to the first one. Under the arm side. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and cut that out. Okay, now we can change the slope. So let's move on to our adjustment. For a square shoulder adjustment, we need to make this less sloped. So you can see we can move, so you can see the top and the bottom here. If you move this whole section up, it makes the angle less steep. So once you know about how much here, okay, then what you'll do is you'll go back in and you will connect the neck point to the shoulder point and redraw that line. And then you will go ahead and blend the side seam together. Now you'll notice it does increase the length of the side seam. So this gets moved up, the arm side remains unchanged, and the side seam is lengthened. So if you need to make any height adjustments to your pattern, make sure you do this first so that you have a better, more accurate place to make your height adjustments. And that's all there is to it.